欢迎收看 MinuteMandarin Level 1 Chinese. After episode 5, you will be able to use plural pronouns. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a Patreon member to download lesson audio and study sheets. 我们上课吧。If we add the word "们" to single pronouns, they turn into plural pronouns. 你们 you, 我们 we, 他们 they. To greet one person, 你好. To greet two or more people, 你们好. Here's a sentence example. 我们是学生，他们是老师。我们 we 是 identify as 学生 students. 他们 they 是 identify as 老师 teachers. 我们是学生，他们是老师。